What if I told you that hidden deep in Sri Lanka's jungle stands an ancient fortress so advanced, so mysterious, it's been called the eighth wonder of the world? Today, we're unlocking the secrets of Sigiriya, where lost kingdoms, breathtaking engineering, and mind-blowing views await. Stick around, because what lies at the summit will surprise you. Welcome to Dream Destination Guide. If you crave unique travel experiences that go beyond the ordinary, you're in the right place. Let's journey to the heart of Sri Lanka and discover why Sigiriya is a bucket list destination for every adventurer seeking something truly extraordinary. Sigiriya, also known as Lion Rock, rises 200 meters above the surrounding jungle, a colossal stone sentinel with a story as dramatic as its silhouette. Built in 477 AD by King Kashyapa, this was once the capital of ancient Sri Lanka, chosen for its strategic vantage and natural defenses. But Sigiriya's history runs even deeper. Before it became a royal citadel, Buddhist monks carved out 38 caves on its slopes, some dating back to the 3rd century BC. King Kashyapa, infamous for seizing the throne from his father, transformed this rock into a palace in the sky, complete with elaborate water gardens, moats, and the legendary Lion's Gate. But Sigiriya is more than stone and legend. Its western face is adorned with ancient frescoes, vivid, 1,500-year-old paintings of celestial maidens, known as apsaras. These masterpieces, once numbering 500, now only 23 remain, their colors and grace defying centuries of wind and rain. And then there's the mirror wall, a polished stone surface once so reflective, royalty could see themselves as they passed. Today, it's etched with ancient graffiti, poems and love notes from visitors over 1,000 years ago. But wait until you see what archaeologists found at the top. Sigiriya's greatest secret is still to come. The engineering marvels don't stop there. This ancient civilization created sophisticated hydraulic systems that still function today. Water channels carved into solid rock, fountains that operate purely on gravity, and gardens designed with mathematical precision that would impress modern architects. The secret behind these 1,500-year-old paintings will shock you. Some believe they depict not just royal women, but goddesses from Buddhist mythology, painted using techniques that modern scientists still can't fully explain. Ready for the climb? Conquering Sigiriya means ascending over 1,200 steps, winding through lush gardens, ancient terraces, and dizzying staircases that will test your determination. The journey begins gently, with shaded paths through the royal water gardens and the sound of exotic birds. But as you rise, the stairs steepen and the adventure intensifies, especially after 8 a.m. when tour groups arrive. About halfway up, you'll reach the famous spiral staircase. This leads to the frescoes, no photos allowed, but the memory will last forever. If you have vertigo, you can skip this section and continue to the main route, but you'll miss one of humanity's greatest artistic treasures. This is where most climbers give up, but here's why you shouldn't. The best is yet to come, and what awaits at the Lion's Gate will leave you speechless. As you climb higher, you'll arrive at the Lion's Gate. Here, two massive lion paws, carved from solid rock, guard the final ascent. The original lion's head, which once towered above, has mysteriously vanished, fueling endless speculation about what happened to this architectural marvel. The last stretch is steep, exposed, and exhilarating. Hold tight to the modern railings, especially on windy days. But every step brings you closer to one of the world's most unforgettable views and the ruins of a palace that once rivaled any in the ancient world. The view from here is nothing compared to what's coming next. Prepare to see why kings chose this exact spot to build their kingdom in the clouds. Photographers, get your cameras ready. Sigiriya is a paradise for epic shots, if you know where to look. Golden hour, the rock glows at sunrise and sunset. Arrive early or stay late for dramatic lighting on the fortress. Water gardens, capture the perfect reflection of Lion Rock in the ancient pools below. Aerial views. If you have a drone, the bird's-eye perspective is unbeatable. Just check local regulations first. Summit panoramas. From the top, the endless green of Sri Lanka's countryside unfolds in every direction. This is the shot professionals pay thousands for. Pedurangala Rock. For the ultimate Sigiriya photo, climb neighboring Pedurangala at sunrise and frame Lion Rock in all its glory. Professional photographers pay thousands for this exact shot. Don't miss your chance. Now for the practical information that will make or break your Sigiriya experience, the details most guides skip but are absolutely crucial. Timing. Gates open at 6 a.m. Be there at opening time. By 9 a.m., tour buses arrive and the stairs become a nightmare. Plus, Sri Lanka's heat becomes unbearable after 10 a.m. Tickets. Foreign visitors pay $30. You can pay in USD, Euros, or Sri Lankan rupees. Your ticket is valid all day, so you can return for sunset views from the base. Here's a money-saving secret 90% of tourists never discover. Insider tip: some Sigiriya village guesthouses offer discounted tickets to guests. Also, if you're doing multiple UNESCO sites, ask about combination packages. Fitness reality check. This equals climbing a 20-story building. If you have knee problems, heart conditions, or severe vertigo, consider Pedurangala Rock for views instead. Essential gear: 2 liters of water minimum, hiking shoes with grip, hat, SPF 50 sunscreen, small towel, and cash for refreshments. Understanding the cultural significance makes Sigiriya infinitely more meaningful. This isn't just a tourist attraction, it's a sacred site with deep spiritual importance. Dress code: cover shoulders and knees. This shows respect and prevents sunburn. Avoid bright colors that attract insects. Photography etiquette: no photos of the frescoes. This rule is strictly enforced. Guards will check your camera. Respect this. Flash photography damages these 1,500-year-old masterpieces. The local legend about Sigiriya's curse will give you chills. Local beliefs. Many Sri Lankans believe Sigiriya is protected by ancient spirits. Whether you believe it or not, show respect. Don't touch the frescoes. Don't litter, and don't shout. Language tips. Learn basics in Hala. Ayu Boawan, hello, Bohoma Stithi, thank you. Locals appreciate the effort and will often share insider knowledge. Supporting local community. Buy water and snacks from village vendors, not just the tourist shops. Your money directly supports families who've lived in Sigiriya's shadow for generations. Let's talk money, the complete budget breakdown for your Sigiriya adventure. Accommodation. Budget. Village guesthouses $15 to $25 per night, mid-range, Sigiriya hotels $40 to $80 per night, luxury, $150/night. Food costs. Local rice and curry, $3 to $5, tourist restaurant meals, $8 to $12, hotel dining, $20 to $30. Transportation, tuk-tuk from Dambulla, $8 to $10, private car, $25 to $30, local bus, $1 to $2. Here's how to do Sigiriya for under $50 total, including accommodation. Total daily budget, backpacker, $35 to $45 per day, comfort traveler, $70 to $100 per day, luxury, $200/day, money-saving hacks, stay in Dambulla, cheaper, and day trip to Sigiriya. Eat at local places. Share tuk-tuks with other travelers. Sigiriya isn't just a destination, it's a journey through time, a test of determination, and a reminder of human ingenuity that will stay with you forever. Standing on that summit, looking across the same landscape that King Kashyapa ruled 1,500 years ago, you'll understand why this place has captured imaginations for centuries. Whether you're drawn by the history, the adventure, or simply the incredible views, Sigiriya delivers an experience that no photograph can truly capture. But Sigiriya is just one of Sri Lanka's incredible destinations. If this ancient wonder amazed you, wait until you see why Ella is considered the crown jewel of Sri Lankan travel. If this guide helped you plan your Sigiriya adventure, smash that like button and subscribe to Dream Destination Guide for more insider travel knowledge. Drop a comment below. Are you planning to climb Sigiriya? What's your biggest concern about the climb? And if you're planning a Sri Lanka trip, check out our complete Ella guide that's already helped over 5,000 travelers plan their perfect journey. The link is in the description. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and remember, the world's greatest adventures are waiting for those brave enough to seek them.